To Mr. Ula. So Mr. Ula, tell us about the day in the life of a software engineering manager. I know your job entails a lot, but if you had to give us a brief overview of your current role and what a typical day looks like for you, what would it be?
Yeah, this is a great question, right? I may encounter this like if I were to face a job interview, it's a good practice for me,
Well,
right?
technically, it is actually the interview for the student of a big community. You know this. People is
Right.
the people struggle to speak, organic speak, they don't know how to answer. They know things they don't know how to say. You're really helping them how to answer the interview question. Basically, this is all interview.
Absolutely. No,
So you're good.
thank you. Again, being authentic, right? Being easy and simple, right? It's so important, right? So how is my day-to-day life? So it's like as a manager, what I find out is knowing what your team members are doing and what are your team's priorities. What are the critical things or deadline that you have to deliver, and where those uh, deliveries stand at any given point in time is the important thing, right? Again, teams task goals and functions may vary, obviously, huge widely from a team to team, organization to organization. But as a manager, like what I find is like, when I log in, what are the things that I have to action on. I typically try to note those down, that as a like, is this project getting done? Is this uh is something getting stuck, and what is the delivery? Who do I have to communicate with? Kind of follow up those things is basically the key work,
Wow.
to know what the team members are doing, like see if they're stuck there, see if they need any help, right? If is there something that I need to pay extra attention on, uh, right? So these are all kind of part of the daily work.
Wow. Okay. So mainly
And
over.
then obviously that communicate with the stakeholders and leadership team. A lot of times, your management will, like people like upper management will come to you as a lead, like, hey, where does your team stand or on this? Do you think we're on time? Are we able to deliver these in a timely manner? Is there any achievement? Kind of follow up those things, and also identify. Always, one of the things we do is we are always looking for opportunities to improve things, to automate things, and kind of in the back of my mind when somebody is saying that, hey, I'm having this problem, or I'm working on this use case. So as a manager, like I'm always questioning, like, okay, you're using this solution approach, but this solution approach doesn't seem to be like the best approach. Is there a different way I can solve this problem, which will save more time and automate the process? So again, there is a wide spectrum of things that we have to think of. It's basically to follow up what the team is working on. If I have to sum up, and then make sure those things get done.
Got it. No, thank you.